In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download videos from websites using Google Chrome. There are two main options I'll show you step by step, plus a bonus option at the end that works on almost anything, so make sure you watch all the way through.
Your bonus.
My bonus.
First, open Google Chrome and open a new tab. Before we start, here's something important to know. Downloading videos from websites is only legal when the website itself allows it. Trying to bypass restrictions can lead to legal issues or malware. So in this video, I'm only showing safe and legitimate methods.
Wink, wink.
Let's start with option 1. Option 1 uses YouTube. If you have YouTube Premium or you're currently on a free YouTube Premium trial, YouTube allows you to download videos directly using their built-in download option. This is completely legal and supported by YouTube. Go to YouTube and open the video you want to download. Below the video player, look for the download button, click download, and choose your preferred quality. The video will now be saved to your YouTube account for offline viewing. If you don't see the download button, it means your account doesn't currently have YouTube Premium access. Now let's move on to option 2. This method works for public videos on websites like Facebook and similar platforms. Open a new tab and go to Google. Search for the platform name followed by the words Video Downloader, for example, Facebook Video Downloader. Choose a website that looks reputable and avoid anything that asks you to install software or enable notifications. Now go back to the video you want to download. Right-click on the video and select Copy Video URL. Return to the downloader website, paste the video link into the input box and click Download. Wait a moment while the video processes. When the download link appears, click it and save the video to your computer. This same process also works for public videos on Instagram and TikTok. If one downloader doesn't work, simply try another one and always avoid pop-ups or fake download buttons. Now for the bonus option I mentioned earlier.
Nice.
Sorry, that's all the funny clips. Now back to the bonus. The most reliable old-school method is to record the video using OBS Studio. If you don't already have it installed, open Chrome, search for OBS Studio, and download it from the official website. Once OBS is installed, open it and set your display or browser window as the recording source. Press record, play the video in full, and stop recording when it finishes. OBS will save the video file directly to your computer. This method works for almost any publicly viewable video and doesn't rely on download buttons at all. And that's it. You now have two official download options, plus a bonus fallback method, all using Google Chrome. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching.